So now let's see how we can use masks for shapes inside of a Figma design file. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to bring out different shapes right here. So I'm going to bring in an ellipse right here. I'm going to go around and bring in a star over here as well, fill it up with a color. And then I'm going to go around and bring in a rectangular shape right here and then rearrange this out. So let's say I want this rounded rectangle to be the mask. So whatever you want to be the mask, it should be at the bottommost layer hierarchy right here. So right now you can see rectangular shape is at the bottommost hierarchy. So if I were to select all of this, and if I want to use the rectangular shape as a mask, all I need to do is go around onto the top and click on use as mask. And this is what you have. So if I were to go around and click and drag out this shape, you can see that you can see the shape, but you can see that this shape right here is rounding out the seeing area right here. So you can see how this actually works. You can resize this shape out and you can see the rest of the object right there as well. If you want this to move along, that means if you want the mask to be fixed out and you want the objects to move along with the mask, you can select out everything. You can right click right here and then you can group the selection. So now what happens is that this is what you have. The mask is fixed out. You can still double click and move these out, but if you were to click outside, then this is what you have. You can go around right here and you can see that there's the group selection. You can ungroup this out as well, and this is what you have again. So this is what you have, as you can see. And then if you want to unmask the item, you can go around right here and click on this option again. So you can use this as mask and you can click again to remove the mask right here. So that is how you can use shapes as masks and then keep shapes inside of masks inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.